Good morning, I'm Rüdiger Lotz, the Consul General of Germany in Karachi. And it's a pleasure for me to speak today from the digital platform Emerging Pakistan. As you certainly know, the economic ties between our two countries have been very close, and they have been so for a very long time. The annual trade exchange amounts to about 3 billion euro, and it has been continually increasing. These economic ties are rooted by German exports like machinery or renewable energy and many other things. While on the other side, Pakistan is very important to the German market with products like textiles, surgical instruments. We are at a very good level, but I think there's so much more that we still can do. And in this respect, this digital platform, Emerging Pakistan, offers a unique opportunity to address these issues in a very modern form, in a digital form, to bring together businesses from both countries, to explore opportunities and to enhance our business ties even further. And I'm already looking forward to this because I deeply believe it's in the benefit of our two countries. Thank you very much.
Dr. Rüdiger Lotz is a distinguished German diplomat and policy expert with decades of experience in international relations. He currently serves as the Consul General of Germany in Karachi, bringing extensive expertise from key diplomatic roles across Europe, Africa, and South Asia. With a strong background in global economic affairs, migration policy, and public administration, he continues to strengthen Germany-Pakistan ties through his leadership at the German consulate in Karachi.